So for today's video, we're gonna unroll the film inside this toy camera. So first, we're gonna click this button here first. Then after we have tapped that part of the camera, by the way, it's below, it's under the part of the camera. So after we click that part, we're gonna unwind this by pulling this up. Then after pulling that, we're gonna twist it clockwise to unroll the camera, the film camera inside.
One eternity later.
Open this and check if naka-unwind na man siya. So amo na di ang mag-open. May ano pa siya. May something. So after we unwind the roll film, we're gonna open this part here and see if, and it should look like this, supposed to be, because I manually rolled the film, the last set of the film, kay I put some scotch tape pala noon, so I manually did the last few film rolls here. I manually rolled, unwind the roll film. So it should look like this. It should look like this once man-unwind na totally. And after that, we're gonna open this by pulling this.
Yes, tama yan.
And gonna pull again. So again, we're gonna pull this and then pull it again, and we can get the film. So it should look like this. And then we have its case. We're gonna put this in its casing. It's Kodak Gold, and this is its casing. I'm gonna put this here. And then that's it. It's ready to be shipped out. Well, it's ready to be ipa-develop. It's ready to be developed. I don't know yet where I can have this film roll be developed, but wait for the next video na lang. So yeah.